In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert an AVI file to MP4 using VLC Media Player. This method is straightforward and will help you quickly get your video into the MP4 format. Let's walk through the steps. Start by opening VLC Media Player on your computer. Once the player is open, look at the top menu and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert Save. This will open a new window where you'll manage your file conversion. In this new window, you'll see a section labeled File Selection. Click on the Add button within this section. A File Explorer window will pop up. Here, navigate to the location of your AVI file, select it, and then click Open. Your selected file should now appear in the list under the File Selection section. Next, click on the Convert/Save button at the bottom of the window. This will open another window where you'll configure the conversion settings. In this window, look for the Profile section. Beside the Profile drop-down, there is an icon that looks like a wrench or a small set of tools. Click on this icon. It will open a new menu where you can fine-tune the conversion settings. Make sure the MP4/MOV option is selected in this menu. Once you've confirmed that, click the Save button at the bottom of the menu to return to the previous screen. Now, you'll need to choose where to save your newly converted MP4 file. To do this, click on the Browse button next to the Destination File field. This will bring up a File Explorer window where you can select the destination folder and name your file. After you've chosen the location and named your file, click Save. Finally, to begin the conversion, click the Start button at the bottom of the window. VLC Media Player will now start converting your AVI file to MP4. You can monitor the progress in the playback bar at the bottom of the VLC window, and that's it. Once the conversion is complete, your MP4 file will be saved in the location you selected earlier. You've successfully converted your AVI file to MP4 using VLC Media Player.